Hi, gentlemen. Mr. Novak here. I'm just doing a problem given to me by a student, and I think it's good to share with you all. It's question 18 from exercise 5E on circle. And he says here, he's wondering if you could please explain this question why, when the y is the subject of this. Thank you. So basically, what we're saying here is that if we take a full circle where the center is the origin, so we draw the x and y axis. The center is the origin. As you know, the h and k become 0, so we end up with having x squared plus y squared. And with the circle being at the range, the domain being from -5 to +5, which obviously that's the diameter, then the radius must be only 5, starting from the origin. And same with the range. And I think that's something you need to start focusing on, domain and range. And so for this circle, it's fixed. And of course, being the radius, that's 5 squared. And don't forget, we would then write it as x squared plus y squared equals 25. Now, what you can see is that these are two half circles. And to get the two half circles, there's a little trick, and that is to get y by itself. So if we go x squared plus y squared equals 25, we then subtract both sides by x squared. We end up with y squared equals 25 minus x squared. Of course, to get rid of the square, we need to square root both sides. And so we get y equals the square root of 25 minus x squared. Now remember, the square root of 9 is actually fact plus or minus 3, because minus 3 times minus 3 is positive 9. So that's why we'll end up having positive and negative there as well. Which means we can now write it as two equations. Y equals the square root of 25 minus x squared, or y equals the square root of negative square root of 25 minus x squared. And here you can liken the positive and negative as your reflection. And so as you can see, that's what this one is, and that's what this one is. This one is obviously a reflection of A. So B is a reflection of A. And so if you want to write the equation of a half circle, there you go. So how do they relate? Well, clearly, if we squared either one of them, we end up with y squared equals 25 minus x squared, bring the x squared across. And also, visually, when you do it by drawing and combine the two circles, you can recognize the circle. So I hope you find that a useful explanation as shared by one student.